don't know exactly the timing of when he started practicing dentistry. He would have been 30-ish at the time the Depression hit. Um, and I suspect that he was already practicing by then. Well, I guess I know he was practicing by then. So what I know of this is that when I was at, first thing I heard of this really was when I was at camp, and this is Camp Bybrick. There were these various old people who would kind of hang around the camp. So there was one guy, Coco, who was the Yiddish teacher, at least for maybe probably the first couple of years I was there. I don't know if he was there I think he was probably there the whole time I was there. And then there were camp mothers who were also equally ancient. And I guess at least once, if not twice, I had people sort of come up and just sort of grab me and say, your grandfather did dental work for me for no charge during the Depression, and how grateful they were about that. So I knew about it from that. And then I guess more recently, just in talking to my uncle about portraits that we've got floating around the family of him, that he had done work for this portrait artist, Callum. It wasn't really for free, it was in exchange for these pictures that were done, which the one in my mother's house, I think, is from the 30s, which would have still been Depression era timing. The one that I've got here is from the 50s, so no longer Depression era, but the guy's still trading portraits for the dental work. And I think it would actually be interesting to line up all the pictures that this guy did, and there are probably at least 3 of them from different years, to see how his appearance changed in the portraits from one to another. And if you look carefully at the picture that I've got, he actually has Zadie's hand, his right hand, in the picture, and it's done in a very blurry way. But when I look at it, I know that he's representing the missing finger there, that it's sort of disfigured a little bit in a way that was the result of the missing finger on his right hand.